first day song survey. The first day of school, you should be having music pumping when the kids come into the building. Get it exciting, get them pumped up. Why not utilize social media, put out a survey to everybody, what song do you want to hear coming into the school? Now, I'm gonna suggest that you pick the 4 songs that you're going to use in the survey. I mean, you just say, hey, what do you want? You can get all kinds of crazy stuff, going out there for the first days. But you pick 4, you do a survey, and then you push out there through social media, hey, this is the song these are the songs in the order that people are voting on. And people can keep voting. You know that kid in school that's gonna be on social media constantly, I want this song, I want this song, I want this song, and they're gonna keep doing it over and over and over. That's fine. And then a day or 2 before the beginning of school, you let everybody know the top 2 songs. These are the top 2 songs for when you guys come into school, all right? But then you don't say what the song is until they get there. When the kids get to school on the first day of school, they walk in, they hear the song, oh, this is the song, this is the one I voted for. That's not the one I voted for. But even if they get the song they wanted, they didn't get the song they wanted, they're talking about school before it starts. That's what you want to have on the first day of school.